Hey guys, welcome to Super Parts Saturday. Today we want wheels and tires. I'm Daniel, this is Cameron. Let's get into it.
Alright guys, today we're going to be going over the cost of wheels and tires, the functionalities of them, the different types, and all the other different options out there. So let's get right into it, starting with wheels. Hey guys, it's Cameron. We're over here in the wheel section. Right here, I got a stock rim straight off the JL. The best part about stock rims is that they're specifically manufactured for your car, coming straight off the factory line. They're designed specifically for your vehicle, looks as far as performance and everything goes. Factory wheels are going to be a little bit more expensive. The reason being is they're engineered for those vehicles by Mopar. Step on over here, we're going to take a look at another factory wheel. This is a beadlock rim for a Jeep. Now, what beadlock means is pretty much the tire gets tucked underneath these right here and gets squeezed in together. Now, unfortunately, these are not DOT certified, so we cannot install them here. But if you were to find someone who is willing to install these for you, they work very well for off-roading. Step on over here, something a little bit more street style. This would be a more Ram. You need fit smaller tire tread walls on these ones. These ones obviously do cost more. And so yeah guys, let's get into aftermarket rims. This is the Rockstar rim, 17-inch rim on a 35-inch tire. It's definitely the most popular choice. You get more tread wall on this beautiful Toyo tire. If you guys have more questions about this rim, come and see me. Right here we got a Hilo 18-inch rim on some General Grabbers X3, another very popular choice. It works very well. Step on over here, we have a 20-inch rim on a 35-inch tire. A little bit more of a luxurious look. It still provides the same functionality. You do lose a little bit of sidewall grip on the trails. But yeah guys, that's pretty much the gist of it. So come on down. You guys have any more questions, come see us down in Desert 215 Parts. Let's send it back to Daniel for some tires.
Hey guys, let's talk tires. So today we got 3 different tires to talk about here. This is a Goodyear Wrangler SRA. The size is a P275 60R20. So this is a standard road tire. You can see obviously you got some flex in the rubber. It's a really good tire for on the street. I would definitely recommend Goodyear Wranglers. This is what you would probably have standard. Then you're going to put your lift on it, and we're going to get more into a heavier tire. So this over here is a Toyo Open Country all-terrain tire. It's a 295/75/20. This is your all-terrain tire, so you're going to have, if you notice the difference in tread, you start to get more thick. This tire is a lot more sturdy. You get a thicker sidewall, your bead is stronger. The material that it's made out of is a lot better when you come into this. Both great brands. I would recommend both of these. This tire is still thin enough to where you do not have to lift it. That has to do with the size, if you see how thick it is. And then you get into this one, which is also a Toyo Open Country. However, this is an MT, mud terrain tire. This is a 35/12/50/20. So you got your still 20-inch rim on every single one of these. This one, however, you're gonna have the thickest gap in your treads. You're gonna have the loudest noise on the street. You're gonna get the worst gas mileage on the street, but you're gonna have the best performance off the road, depending on the terrain. Obviously, this is an off-road tire as well as this one. This one I would not personally recommend to go off-road with. However, if you're just doing some light camping, you're going out on just a dirt trail, this would be absolutely fine. But if you're getting more into off-roading, you're gonna wanna go towards an all-terrain tire. It's great for on-road and off-road. If you're not gonna off-road too much, I would personally recommend an all-terrain tire. However, if you're gonna off-road all the time, that's when you wanna get into the mud terrain tire. You got your sidewall is a lot thicker on this, comes from here to here. You got these grooves all the way around. It helps with dirt, mud, snow, sand, anything that you will come across, you will be fine. This tire, absolutely great as well. You still have a good sidewall. It's not as beefy, it's not as thick, but it will definitely do the job for you. It just depends on what you're looking for. So the only thing you need to worry about here is size, material, brand, totally up to preference, totally up to what you want. There's nothing too crazy about these tires. These are all great tires. I would recommend them to anybody who wanted to off-road or if you want to stay on the road. All right, guys, meet us back at the parts counter and we'll finish up.
Thanks, Dan, for telling us all about the tires and different types of tread. You notice we didn't talk about cost because when it comes to wheels and tires, cost can be all over the place. And honestly, it depends. You get what you pay for when it comes to wheels and tires. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment on what you want us to talk about. We'll see you guys next week for All About Accessories.
See you guys.